Are we ready? Let's begin.
A very pleasant morning to all. I am Dhyana Patel of class 8B, standing here as a representative of SD International School. So now, rise up, start fresh and seize the bright opportunity in each new day. Now, let's join our hands, close our eyes and start the prayer. A good and inspiring thought can spice up our day. So, to inspire us with a good thought, here comes Vatsal.
Good morning to all. My name is Vatsal Chavita, and today's thought of the day is difficulties in your life don't come to destroy you, but help you to release your hidden potential and power. Let difficulty know that you too are difficult. I repeat my thought. Difficulty in your life don't come to destroy you, but help you to release your hidden potential and power. Let difficulty know that you too are difficult. Thank you and have a thoughtful day ahead.
Taking pledge reminds us of our responsibilities. Now I invite Janika to lead the pledge.
Get ready for the pledge. India is my country. India is my country. And all Indians are. And all Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. And I am proud of it. Rich. And very heritage. And very heritage. I shall always. Strive to be. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. And treat everyone with. Courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being. And prosperity alone. Lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Friends are the ones we all have while growing up, and I would like to invite Kavya to explain us more about a true friend.
Good morning, my name is Kavya and I am from class 8B. Today's topic of the speech is true friend. True friend always support each other even during the hardest of the time. True friend who feel happy for our success. On the other hand, who feels lonely for our failures. A true friend decides it and came out for his weakness. He may scold and do a mistake and guide.
Informs us what is happening around us in this panoramic world. Now I invite Sid for you.
Good morning. Today's headlines are first international. Russia deployed here in India on 2 disease. Second, national news. India has 10,093 COVID-19 cases. Active infection at 57,542. Third, sports news. CSK beats RCB by 6 runs. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Learning never stops and knowledge never ends. So, to make this learning knowledge, here comes Prince for GK questions.
Good morning to all. Today's video questions are: question first. In which state does the sun first enter in India? Right. Correct answer is the Arunachal Pradesh. Question second. Who was the first female ruler of India? The correct answer is Razia Sultan. Question third. Which is the biggest ocean? The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Question four. Which is the largest fish in the world? Correct answer is blue whale. Which place is called the King City of India? Correct answer is Jaipur. Thank you and have a nice day.
If you find something interesting, it attracts your attention. For example, because you think it is exciting or unusual. So now I would like to invite Priya for interesting facts.
Good morning, everyone. Today's some interesting facts are: first, a shark is the only non-fish that can blink with both eyes. Second, dream is the only English word that ends in the letter M-P. Third, the giant squid has the largest eyes in the world. Fourth, sound travels about 4 times faster in water than in air. Fifth, the most common letter in English is E. Sixth, almonds are a family of a peach family. 7. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
like to invite Himnesh for word of the day.
Good morning, all of you. The word for the day is euphoric. 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 It means a intense feeling of excitement. For example, as soon as the countdown for the new party starts, Amit and his friends were euphoric. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, I request our principal sir for his blessing.
A very good morning to the staff and students of the school. Well, let's give a very, very big clap to the students of the school. Indiana has really conducted it well. Please give them a very big clap to them. We still have to practice. We still have to gain a little more confidence. Some of you are not very confident when you come up here. But then if you practice, you have to practice a lot. And I tell you, oration is a skill where unless and until you do not speak out loudly, you do not listen to your own voice, you'll never be able to master that skill. Right? The word for the day. What was the word for the day? I'm not asking you the day. Word for the day. Himnesh, you said the word for the day, but it was not very clear. The word is euphoric. What is the word? Euphoric. EUPHORIC. And that is what you call an extreme level of excitement. Right? For example, before the summer break, you get excited. Or your parents are going to take you out on a holiday, you are excited. You get euphoric. Have you understood? So what's the word for the day? Say it loudly. Okay. Can we have pin drop silence? Can you hear these birds chirping? Which bird is that? Yes. This bird is called the house sparrow. What do you call it? House sparrow. These days you don't find them much, but we are very lucky that in Dungarpur we have the house sparrow. Most of the cities you don't find them now. And you have another, this house sparrow is called a goraiya in Hindi. What do you call it in Hindi? Goraiya. Say that again. And in English, house sparrow. Similarly, you have another jungle sparrow. You find it in the forest generally. They are of the same color, but a little darker, and they are a little bigger. They are a little bigger. And they are called what? The jungle sparrow. Can somebody tell me what is the importance of the day today? Yes? World Heritage Day. Please give a very big clap for Naman. At least he does this work. Loud clap for him. Today is World Heritage Day. Right? And what happens on this day, we are reminded to preserve all those monuments which generally tell us, depict, or indirectly explain to us the culture of the past. Like you have some of the old palaces you must have seen, some of the old temples that you have, some of the old buildings and tombs that you have. And you have a special department of the government which takes care, and these buildings are declared as heritage sites. These buildings are declared as heritage sites. And in Hindi, you have that department called the Puratatva Vibhag. What do you call that? The Puratatva Vibhag. They take care of all these buildings, the maintenance. Okay, everything is taken care by that. So what is the day today? World, say it loudly, World Heritage Day. One important instruction for everyone, staff as well as students. The tiffins that we bring to school, children, please make sure that you finish it. You are not supposed to carry back your tiffins with food in it. Your mothers are getting up early in the morning, making food for you. They take the pains to make that for you. So you have to make sure that you eat it well. Do not keep anything back in your tiffin to be carried home. Is it clear, everyone? And please make sure that you bring chapatis, parathas and vegetables. Kindly do not bring namkeen, sauce, pickles. Don't bring all that.